Tree cutting and trimming Oceanside. Whenever you need tree service, you can always depend on tree cutting and trimming Oceanside. Our professionals can diagnose and treat problems to protect your trees and plants and help ensure safety on your property. Tree cutting and trimming can be dangerous work. Working on large trees requires knowledge and use of specialized equipment. It is very important not only for the safety of the persons working on the tree, but also for the surrounding property where the tree stands. Homes, businesses, automobiles, onlookers, and passers-by can be put at serious and unnecessary risks. Other considerations need to be taken as well. When working on trees that are next to or nearby electrical power lines, or have electrical lines running through their branches, tree cutting and trimming Oceanside provides a trained crew, all the required safety equipment, liability insurance, and of course the knowledge and experience that can only come with years of experience and dedication to a job well done. Get a free estimate, 516-589-8516. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutme.com, or contact us through phone, 516-589-8516. You can visit our office, 2776 Long Beach Road, Oceanside, New York 11572. Tree cutting and trimming Oceanside.